And I thought of what you're doing with research and development in this respect. And to me, it occurs as a thing that we should be quite proud of, is that we've got unique environments in South Africa, and we've got ancient knowledge and we've got modern technology, and all of these can combine to develop potential cures, supplements, improvements in quality of life for people, which we should all be very, very impressed by. And I think that this is the leading edge of where we could start to make a major impact internationally.
Big time.
We're not going to do it in, massive laboratories, or not that we don't have those, but we can't really compete with the big pharmaceutical companies in Western Europe and America. But where we can is with the natural stuff.
100%, Gareth. And I must say, there is a shift now, even with big pharma. I think there's the realization that new compounds are not coming out very quickly. So where there's a lot of investment now, it's in what we call the nutraceutical space. Yeah. So that's the space we actually play in, plant-based medicines in the nutraceutical space. A lot of our big pharma companies now are starting up nutraceutical arm. One of our very exciting product launches we have coming up in the US is with Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is a household pharmaceutical company.
Absolutely.
But it's with the consumer care division called Kenvue, and we'll be launching a Zembrin Tylenol brand. That's actually happening.
Wow, that's a combo.
This month. Yeah, so it's also something that we're quite excited about. Many other pharma companies like Bayer are also looking into it. Pfizer through Helion is looking into it. So the future of medicine is especially in the West, is nutraceutical, and there's a big market for nutraceutical ingredients. And I think Africa is rightly placed to be able, because some of these plants you can't grow them anywhere else because it's governed by law. And even if you try to do it, because of the different climatic conditions, you may end up with something that's totally different. So it's important for these plants to be grown where they naturally are available.
Just one thing that Congo Chris says here in the comments: please ask the guest if he knows about the benefits of